I've never seen such an incredible craftsman. It wasn't until the end that I understood why he spent $1 on this rusty old knife. For most people, it's just a piece of rusty iron, trash you wouldn't even want to touch. But in this young man's eyes, it became a treasure. His wife's father was about to celebrate his 100th birthday, and the young man had been struggling with what gift to give. So he decided to completely restore this treasure he found at a scrapyard. This old knife from an ancient city. To him, it would be a precious gift. Although he couldn't afford a new one, as a professional restorer, he decided to use his expertise to breathe new life into this old knife and turn it into a birthday gift for his father-in-law. When his wife found out about this, she scolded him harshly, calling him worthless. Why would he use such garbage as a gift? But no one expected what happened after the young man worked tirelessly for 3 days and 3 nights on the restoration. When the finished product finally emerged, this old knife was completely transformed. That ancient city knife turned out to be surprisingly beautiful, becoming a commemorative work of art. His wife was so amazed when she saw the finished product that she couldn't believe her eyes. And when his father-in-law received the gift, he was as happy as a child. Seeing his father-in-law's joy, the young man felt from the bottom of his heart that all his efforts had been worthwhile. Now let's see how this classic ancient city knife was restored. The entire restoration process is very satisfying to watch. The restoration process was extremely arduous. Can any of you identify what model this ancient city knife is? Please tell me in the comments. Watching till the end will surely move you. Of course, likes and follows are free. These craftsmen continue to create works with dedication, getting up early and working late every day to produce content. It's truly not easy. I believe, having watched this far, you won't be stingy with a free like. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating. Thank you so much. At this point, the entire restoration process is nearing its end. It's truly incredible. The originally worn-out old knife, under this young man's exquisite restoration skills, has become absolutely brand new. Were you amazed? What do you think of this young man's craftsmanship? If the perfect score is 10, how many points would you give? Feel free to type it in the comments section. Comments are welcome. If you also appreciate this young man's restoration techniques, don't forget to like and follow. I'll share more works every day. See you next time. We won't miss each other.